Right. This is Ali Wenyon reporting live from Sandawana mine. The police has warned all the miners to vacate the mining area. These are the losses the miners that they're going to face. The mine had also promised to buy the lithium ores at the lower Varican side, but however, they only managed to buy at the West Gate area and also the Varican shaft. But this has not happened at the lower Varican, and all the miners are going to lose every investment that they had invested in mining all these ores. People are actually packing their stuff, leaving for their respective homes, leaving all these ores that you can see here. Those are the people packing their stuff, and this is all the ore, the lithium ore they are leaving. We tried to seek a comment from the Chief Mining Security, who refused to disclose his name, and he just said everyone should vacate. And we also asked about how the mine is going to compensate, these miners their ores, and they said they're going to take everything because it belongs to the mine. And this has not gone well with some of the miners who are actually blaming their leadership, the ruling party, for failing to stand for them during their time of errors. So everyone is vacating. They're actually packing their stuff. They're packing their stuff. These are some of the miners waving goodbye. This has affected more than 2,000 miners. We have been mining the lithium stone. Some of the mining areas, people have been chased by the police. Some have been beaten by the police, and they have already fled the area. And these are the few remaining people, but they actually packing their stuff and leaving. These are all the areas people are leaving. Right, these are some of the miners packing their stuff. They are packing their stuff going, but they are very much unhappy. These are some of the youth. We had been promised the mining land by their leadership, and they are very disgruntled. Let me just check. This is one of the vendors who were also selling and making money through the legal mining. Mama Sitandian. Nometa tumiri muri kuti kudini zvaitika.
Hai ndikutoti handisi kudombofara chazvinofanirwa kuti pawarning because isu tinotopawo nenhamo. Kana tikagara muno muZimbabwe kusvika tinoenda kuSouth Africa, vanoti dzokai kuZimbabwe muhovhota, tinofanirwa kugadzirisa nyika yenyu. Isu taveya munoda kugadzirisa nyika yedu, vanoda kuti tidle vana here. Vanotoda kuti tigadzirise hunhu hwedu kuti vana varye. Izvo vana vanoda kuenda kuchikoro. Takugadzirisana neback to school. Mari hakuna muZimbabwe. Paita mari papo patoda kuti tinde tinotsvakawo. Asi ivo vari kuti zvoni chidzokerai kudzimba tonodlei kudzimba. Hatina kuvaka dzimba, tinotambura muZimbabwe. Hatina mari yerendi, tinotoda kubhadhara rendi nemari idzodzi. Votidzokerai mari dzatinadzo takwereta. Zvikwereti zvatakwereta zvoda kudzosegwa. Saka tozvidzosera sei kana tisina kuuyu? Kana tisina kushanda? Tahodha zvinhu izvi.
Right. Some of these are some of the Disgruntled youth. Murikuti kudiva kumana nezvaitika izvi.
Izvi hatisi kufara nazvo. Nokuti tanga tichifarira kuti president vatitendera tidlewo zvabuda munyika, but zvazoitika izvi. Tasiya zvese zvatakashanda, tichishandisa dzimari, tishandise tiwane tirarame, but so far taungoenda from nothing. Hatina chatawana, no benefit.
Siyana kuna mari dzematransport kuti tikwanise kusvika kwatabva. Hatina kana sendi tiva tichidzinga mutovo uyu. Tofamba sei? Tingafamba kubva pano rekunosvika kuna naHarare kwatakabva tichitotsvaka mari kuno.
Right. These are some of the youth that are disgruntled and complaining about how they've been chased. There was no notice. They were just chased within 30 minutes and they were told to vacate. They don't have transport money. Their ores have not been bought and paid for by the responsible authorities. But now they are going to experience the loss Right, these are some of the youth complaining. Right, this is Nyoni Aliwe reporting from Sandawana mine.